You know, and if retail arbitrage becomes ultimately the business model that you love, then you may grow into using some of the scanning tools and all that type of stuff to help you have an advantage. I have a retail arbitrage business model. I have a lot of money invested in retail arbitrage. We've done extremely well doing retail arbitrage. It's not our primary business. It's not where we make most of our money, but we do extremely well from it. All from the Amazon Seller Central app. So I mean, um, I literally have an Amazon little selection on my page here. Bam, bam. Right? So I'll just show you this. This is my Amazon little group of apps here. Amazon. Those are all the apps that are free. So you got Alibaba, you got Amazon, Seller Central, Jungle Scout. This is just I just whatever took the Jungle Scout page from Safari and saved it to my phone. You got Fiverr, obviously PayPal. You're gonna need that to get some extra money. Amazon affiliate if you want to do some affiliate things. Those are advanced stuff. That's an advanced kind of stuff I use using Facebook groups. That's all in the course too on how to use a Facebook group, use Instagram, use affiliate links to drive traffic to your sales or to your products so you make more sales, an extra 10% in sales or 20% sales from these sources, these pages, customer service, all that type of stuff. Over the course of time, those pages just grow organically. Or you can even grow them using money if you want to. What other questions do we got going on? Amazon seller app. Listing books needs more time to list them? No. They're already all listed for you, buddy. You just have to scan them in, ship them off, and make sure you have the best price. Selling a bigger quantity of popular products will be much faster to list. All the products, again, for the most part, are all on there, especially if you're just scanning and selling. You're scanning products, they should be on there already. And they should have some sort of rank. They should have some sort of price. They should have some sort of reviews, rating of the product. All that information is on there. You should know what you can buy it for, and then you could see exactly what you can resell it for. I'll link a couple videos that you should watch, Anderson, that will show you how to scan. Like you could find them too if you go into my YouTube video history on videos that where I scan products in stores, and then you kind of see what pops up on the app. It's easy to do. It's so easy. It's literally point and click, wait 3 seconds, and then it shows you a page that shows you how much it's selling for, how much the fees are, merchant if you want to ship it, or if you want to go through Amazon, which if you're going to sell on Amazon, let me just give you a couple things to research right now. Research FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. You want to be an FBA seller, not an FBM seller right away. Start as an FBA seller. Ultimately, at the end of the day, I'll never switch to an FBM seller. It's too much work. I don't want to work that amount of time.